Hi, I'm Dustin Williams here on behalf of ExpertVillage.com here at AA Callister's. And today I'm going to show you what you're going to be looking for to pick the best boot out on the market today. Now, first thing you want to look for is the leather. Now, when you're looking in the leather, you want to see, like this one here is a perfect example. You want to look, now it might not necessarily mean it's bad, but you might want to look for nicks and scratches, which might indicate that it's a defect in the boot. These ones here happen not to be. It's actually a style. This here is called a shrunken shoulder. But you want to be aware of this nicks and scratches in your boots because it could later on cause you problems. Also, when you look, you want to look for wrinkles. Because wrinkles might, when you tan a boot, now this one obviously does not have any wrinkles, but when you tan a boot, it can create a marble defect, which it might not be desirable for most people. You might also want to look for the type of leather that you're looking at. Make sure there's no nicks and flaws in even the upper leather here. Now, when they use something like this is taken from a belly. And the reason why they put this here is because, one, it's softer against your legs, and it's not going to take the abuse such as down here. It's a little higher grain of the leather. This is a top grain leather. You might also want to look for, in a boot, you might also want to look for the stitching. Make sure that there's no gaps between the welt and the sole, which might cause a defect. And those are just a few simple things that you can look for when you're looking for a boot.